Hi, it's Emily from NETSYS. NETSYS Bilişim provides consultancy services, solutions and trainings in the field of network and security. NETSYS was established in 2017 by a highly skilled team of experts, and the company has been growing rapidly ever since. Our prime objective is to provide consultancy regarding network and security, deliver special training to institutions and individuals, and to offer technical and after-sales services to our customers together with partner companies. Looking ahead, our aim is to be in the top 3 most dependable and preferred companies in Turkey. We provide high-quality service to our customers by focusing on their needs and happiness first. At NETSYS, customer satisfaction is of the utmost importance, which can be felt by our customers through the attention and careful approach of our experienced team. We aim to establish a strong and lasting bond with our customers. The focus on happiness does not only extend to our customers, but holds true for our employees as well. We care about creating an environment in which our employees can thrive and grow, and consequently are able to provide the best services to our customers. At NETSYS, we're not just a company, we're a family.